we, Kara?
We're up in the hill and we can get a very nice view. And it seems like there's a fire over there. And yeah, it's a little spiky when we came up and yeah. And there are sticks poking here and yeah. We're going to fly my dad's drone here. Bye!
It's actually really high up.
Yeah.
Took us a while to get up here, we're out of breath.
Yeah.
So we rode the motorcycle down to the road down the bottom there and got as far as we could, but then it got too steep, so then we walked up. So we've come up all the way, took us about an hour walking all the way up this nice steep hill. See this beautiful view, some sinkholes over there, open fields here, beautiful scenery. Wanted to fly the drone here, but it says I'm not unlocked.
So we walked all the way up the hill there, but Daddy drone didn't fly because it said it was locked when he did everything and unlocked it. So we're walking back. Yeah.
Where's the motorbike?
Oh, the motorbike is over there.
Why didn't we bring the motorbike up here?
Because it was too steep.
Yeah, it's a very steep road up the top.
So we walked up this mountain, and my dad. Our house is way down there. So we drove through town, through the woods and stuff, up the road, which is pretty steep. Here it's super steep, so Dad didn't try it. And then we're walking up here to get to the top up there, and we're wearing hats because it's super hot. There's not very many clouds to cover, so yeah, bye.
Almost at the top with Isaiah on this next day. Beautiful blue skies today, but it makes it very hot with the sun. So here we are, top of the hill. Here's our little drone pad. And we're going to see if we can fly here today. Go and explore those sinkholes over there. Have a look around this beautiful valley.
And that big sinkhole. So me and my dad, we climbed, the last time I took the video was down there, and then we walked all the way up here, up to the top of the mountain, or hill, and then we're coming back down. My dad flew the drone around. Kara, my sister, went yesterday, but they didn't get to fly the drone since it was locked, the drone or something. So my dad unlocked it today, and now we're flying around, which is really fun. We're gonna go fly over there down where the road is really far down there. So yeah, bye.
So that's the hill we climbed up all the way to the top and flew around the drone.